What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making monkey bread. We hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need biscuits, butter, cinnamon, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. We're going to begin by cutting our biscuits in quarters. Add 1 cup of sugar to a Ziploc bag. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Combine your cinnamon and sugar mixture. Add your biscuits and shake until coated. Butter a bundt pan and evenly place in your biscuits. In a skillet, melt 2 sticks of butter. Add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and stir. Add a 1/2 cup of cinnamon sugar mixture and stir on medium heat until it bubbles. Pour caramel on top of your biscuits. Set your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 45 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, monkey bread. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know them in Memphis be cooking.